close square it minus. And yeah, I'm writing everything down right now because I don't want to lose anything accidentally. You guys will get quicker. You guys will start taking some short steps. We'll consolidate steps. 1 squared is 1 times 5 gives me 5 minus 10 plus 3. I'm just putting my y equals. What is the value of y? What is it, Arvin? Negative 2. Very, very straightforward. Step 3. Write it as an ordered pair. 1. Let me see who can remember something that we did last week. Is this parabola opening up or is it opening down? Raise your hand for this. Raise your hand. And you have to be able to tell me why. Is it opening up or is it opening down? What do you think, Thomas?
It's up because the x squared.
Okay, so the value of a is positive. Good. Or you can say a is greater than 1. Okay? All right, next one. I have y equals negative x squared minus 2x. What's the value of a?
Negative 1.
Good. What's the value of b?
2.
What's the value of c?
0.
0. If it's not there. Now, what does it matter right now? Whenever I go to substitute it back in, I just need to know that I'm not adding anything on for the value of c. Okay? Step 1, I'm going to use my formula. X equals negative b over 2a. Careful with your negatives. I see a lot of negatives happening here. I have a, I have b. If it helps, label those as you're going until you get used to it. Okay, so negative, open parentheses, the value of b is?
Negative 2 or 2.
Negative 2. Divided by 2 times the value of a?
Negative 1.
Negative times a negative 2 gives me 2, positive 2 over negative 2, which gives me? Right now these, yes, they're equally, I'm getting a lot of 1s and negative 1s. That's just for these examples. Don't expect it every time. Okay? Am I done yet? No. I'm looking for now the value of y. Substitute it back in. So I have negative for the formula, that's the given formula, times negative 1 in parentheses squared. Be careful, this is where it can get tricky. Minus 2, open parentheses again, plug in negative 1. What is, in parentheses, negative 1, close parentheses squared? What is that equal? What is it, Violet? 1. So I'm going to get 1 here, and then times another negative sign. That gives me? Negative 2 times negative 1. What is y equal? 1. Last step. My question to you, is this parabola, is this vertex a minimum or a maximum? Oh.
No, maximum.
Why?
Because it opens like down.
It opens down, so this is going to be the maximum value. How do you know it opens down?
Because the x or the a is negative.
Yeah. It's all kind of coming back around. Okay. Your job right now, I'm going to preview practice. Be with you.